This is G.I. Joe Classified Jinx. Here's the box. Front, back, and the sides. This is the first figure I got with the new packaging. Smaller than the previous versions. Let's get this thing open. The figure comes with closed fists. These are the gripping hands. Close look at the alternate hands. Next, let's take out the sword and sheath. Sword came out. And here's the sheath. It's kind of bendy. Here's a close look with measurements. Here's the sheath and sword on the figure's back. Gotta be careful when you take the blindfold out. Here's the blindfold. Very rubbery. Next, we'll take out the staff. Measurement of the staff. Here's the figure holding the staff. Next, let's take out the alternate head. This also comes with some rubbery plastic. Close look at the alternate head. Here's the figure's standard head. Here's the alternate head. Standard head with blindfold. And alternate head with blindfold. Now let's take out Jinx. Here's a close look at the front of the figure. And here's the back. My figure had a little extra piece of plastic in her armpit. Restricted her right arm movement. Time for articulation. Neck rotation, neck tilt, T, upper arm, wrists, elbows, drop down hips, thighs, boot cut, ankles, torso tilt, torso rotation, legs up, neck back and forth, butterfly joint, shoulder rotation, ab and back, ankle, knee, forward split, and split. Comparison with Retro Scarlet and Movie Snake Eyes. Comparison with other martial art figures. Comparison with Tiny Tunnel Rat and Gigantic Roadblock. Thanks for watching.